Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep pigeons from roosting around your driveway. This video will provide various tips to help you prevent the birds from perching around your home, so stick around for the best guide. Ultrasonic Devices. You can install ultrasonic devices around your driveway to emit inaudible frequencies. The sound from the devices can repel pigeons. The most effective ones utilize both ultrasonic and audible signals accompanied by flashing lights for improved results in deterring pigeons. Pigeon Repellents. Bird repellent gels contain natural essential oils that ward off pigeons. This keeps them from landing on your driveway once it has been treated. The repellent safeguards the place by releasing an unpleasant scent and creating an illusion of danger to the birds. Anti-bird spikes. These spikes are attached and fastened to your driveway to prevent pigeons from nesting. They will harm the birds but will deter them from camping where the spikes are placed. Parallel wires. Bird-proof your driveway using parallel wires, as this is an effective means to deter pigeons. This method works by using parallel cables around your home to prevent birds from landing and setting up a nest. Bird netting. This method is unsightly but efficient in keeping pigeons away from your driveway. This mesh netting creates a net barrier that prevents the birds from perching. Reflective surfaces. Reflected light disrupts the pigeon's eyesight and drives them away. Attach waterproof reflective tape to the surfaces around your driveway. Alternatively, you can use old CDs attached to strings or dangling foil balloons to keep the pigeons away. Scents and spices. Pigeons are deterred by scents such as lit citronella candles. Alternatively, spray peppermint essential oils, cinnamon solution, or white vinegar around your driveway. You can also sprinkle spices like red pepper or black pepper to keep the pigeons at bay. So, there you have it. Pigeons roosting around your driveway can be difficult to manage. Nonetheless, with these beneficial tips, you can now enjoy driving to and from your home without worrying about the problematic birds. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.